Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. While waiting in the traffic, this biker recorded rear-end accident happened right in front of him.
Wow. Oh my god. I got that on video. Yeah, oh my god. Holy oh my god. Oh my god, wow.
State troopers served instant justice for a driver who was driving a bit over the speed limit. Guy in Audi got mad because this driver came close to his car, so he deliberately caused an accident. Both the court and insurance ruled it is Audi's driver's fault. What do you think, guys? What caused this vehicle to lose control? Driver in Nissan tried to brake check, but it backfired horribly for him.
Look. Dummy.
Track is frozen mud, hills, everything. So we walked through the concentrate into the whole bucket and walked it over so we could transport it back to camp. And there we are, doing the final cleanup that night. Obviously couldn't do it outside, so moved everything into my precious beer tent. The jig, put up a system of just washing mats.
Crazy?
Instant justice for impatient lady who endangered everybody on the highway. Luckily, cops saw everything and she definitely got big ticket.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Yep, there they go. Bye-bye, honey.
Oh my god, dude. Go. Are you fucking... Go, man! Are you fucking insane, dude? Oh my god. Wow.
Fala a putra.
God!
Aqui.
Oh my god.
Stop. Stop this stop sign.
This scooter rider confronted a lady in a jeep who almost sideswiped him.
What's your problem? You in the fucking way. I'm not in the way. You're behind me. You're behind me. You're behind me. I have the right of way. You're behind me.
So what?
You're behind me. I have the right of way. I have the right of way. You don't pass me in my lane. You don't pass me in my lane. It puts you on YouTube.
I don't give a
And it gives, and it's for the police too.
I'm
And
in
for
my
the police.
car.
You're gonna be.
You're not supposed to be in the road with that dumbass scooter.
You don't think so?
Dummy.
You don't think so?
No, you're not supposed to be in the road.
That's
with
how
that.
ignorant you are.
You're ignorant.
That's how ignorant you
No,
are.
piss me off 'cause you in the way.
I'm not in the way.
You're in the way.
I'm.
You're in the
You
way.
have the. I
You're
have
in
the.
way.
I have the
You're in
right
the
of way.
way.
I have
You're
the
in
right
the
of
way.
way.
You have the right of way.
I have the
Yes,
right
you're
of
in
way.
the way.
I have the right of way.
Camera at me. Go, 'cause you're gonna get hit by somebody.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.